In this video I will tell you how you can send your WhatsApp message in bold or in italic forms. Like I'll go here in my WhatsApp, and here I'll click on this option. Here you can see very first message. This one is in bold message, this is in italic form, this is there's a strike over the text, and here you can see the space is white. In between the characters, space is a wide. So in this video I will tell you how you can make your text on WhatsApp both italic and all these 4 types. So before moving further, subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and select all, because I make these sort of videos daily. So if we want to bold a text, I will just simply add any text here, A, B, B, C, C, D and D here. I want to bold my text. What I need to do, I'll just simply tap, long press on it, and then select the text that I want to bold. For example, I select the whole complete text, and then there's the option of more. We'll click on it, and here we have the option of bold on the right top. We'll click, you can see it is bold. Okay, then we'll tap anything else, and here I want to italic this one. I will click on more, and here we have the option of, under the bold there is the option of italic. You can see it's changed into italic. I want to change this remaining one into strike through. So I have this one. You can see this one is in italic form, other one is, and there's another option of spacing. We can see here is a monospace, so it is, the space is a bit wide now between the characters. I make this into bold. That's all for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video. Thank you.